chemistry of carbon compound, that is organic chemistry. Yesterday I explained the important points of this carbon compounds. Here alkanes. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2, that is carbon carbon, in between carbon carbon single bonds are there. And another one is alkenes, CnH2n, that is in between carbon carbon double bonds are there. Third one is alkynes, that is CnH2n minus 2, in between carbon carbon triple bonds are there. These are the main, that means another alkyne form also there, alkyl CnH2n plus 1. These are also single bonds only, that means alkanes, one hydrogen is removed from alkane, these are called alkyl group. Okay, in this chemistry of carbon compounds, only carbon can form several lakhs of compounds. Why carbon only forms several lakhs of compound means 4 properties main. What are the 4 properties means? First one is tetravalency. Tetravalency means valence electrons are 4, tetra. Eth 1, eth 2, prop 3, tetra. But for here, tetra may also 4 only. So 4 valency. Second one is multiple bonds. Multiple bonds. Multiple bond means single bond, double bond, triple bond, like this. Several bonds are formed. And catenation. Here catenation means atoms of same element join together to form long chain. Atoms of same element join together to form long chain is called catenation. Here fourth one is isomerism. These are the main important properties of this carbon to form several lakhs of compounds. Whereas remaining 117 elements can form very least compared to the carbon compounds because of these 4 properties. Isomerism already explained, that is in yesterday class. Isomerism means any compound, if you take any compound formula is same but structure is different. Suppose for example butane, formula is C4H10, normal butane C4H10, isobutane C4H10. The structure is different, properties different. So this phenomenon is called isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structures, that is called isomerism. Okay. Next, hybridization. Next one is hybridization. What is meant by hybridization? Hybridization means carbon atomic number 6. 6 means 6 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means ground state ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1. This is the ground state. Whereas in excited state, excited state 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1. Z1. Here 1s orbital means k shell, 2s means second shell. 2s or 2p belongs to the second shell. Second shell name is L. This is the first shell. First shell electrons does not disturb, whereas second shell electrons are redistributed. That means outermost electrons are 4. These 4 electrons are redistributed in these orbitals. In the ground state, what is happening? 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, 0. There is no electrons in 2pz. Whereas in the excited state, these electrons redistributed. These electrons are redistributed in these orbitals. That is 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. After redistribution of electrons, these orbitals are becomes hybridized. Hybridized means they are all having same energy, same properties, same shape. So this phenomenon is called hybridization. After redistribution of electrons, orbitals are become hybrid. That means these orbitals having the same energy and shape and properties. This phenomenon is called hybridization. Who proposed this hybridization means Linus Pauling. Linus Pauling. Linus Pauling was a great scientist. Because of Linus Pauling only this organic chemistry was developed. Because this is the concept of hybridization. In this hybridization, total 3 hybridization are there: sp3, sp2, sp, sp3, sp2, sp. sp3 means 1s orbital and 3 p orbitals are participate in the hybridization sp3. 1s orbital, 2 p orbitals are participate in the hybridization sp2. 1s orbital, 1 p orbital participating in the hybridization means sp. These are the 3 types of orbitals. Hybridization. This is CH4, this is C2H4, this is C2H2. Not only this, several examples are there. sp3 hybridization example is CH4, sp2 hybridization example is C2H4, sp hybridization example is C2H2. Next class I will explain clearly about the hybridization formation. Allotropy. What is allotropy? Allotropy means occurrence of same element in different forms is called allotropy. Same element can available in different forms in the nature. That is called allotropy. This allotropy forms of carbon. Example: carbon. Carbon allotropy forms are amorphous. Coal, coke, lamp black, animal charcoal, woody charcoal, etc. Here amorphous. Amorphous means smooth form, that is powder form. Coal, coke, lamp black. Lamp black means a lamp. Suppose ordinary lamps, if we keep any object above that lamp, forms a black color spots. That is candelabrum, black color spots. That is animal charcoal. Animal charcoal means animal bones. After burning of animal bones, that forms black color. That is called animal charcoal, wood charcoal. After burning of wooden pieces, that also form black color powder. That is called animal charcoal, etc. This is amorphous. Next one is crystalline. Crystalline forms, that is diamond, graphite, Buckminster Fullerenes. RC60. Diamond, graphite, Buckminster Fullerenes or C60. What is C60? 60 carbon atoms are formed like a structure. That is C60 or Buckminster Fullerenes. Okay, first I will explain the diamond. What is meant by diamond? See this tetrahedral arrangement of atoms. Carbon atoms are arranged in the tetrahedral. Tetrahedral means 4 carbon atoms are bound together. In between the carbon atoms, strong covalent bonds are there. That is tetrahedral arrangement. And very hard non-metal. In the non-metal category, very hard item is diamond. We can cut the diamond with diamond only. And diamonds cannot synthesize it at the ordinary conditions. That means diamond can be synthesized, that means prepared at very high temperature and pressure only. This is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Bad conductor of heat and electricity. This is a very bad conductor. That means diamonds cannot allow the heat or electricity because there is no gaps between the atoms. That means electrons, for the movement of electrons, there is no gap at all. And sp3 hybridation. We have sp3 hybridation. That means one s orbital and 3 p orbitals are participate in the hybridation. That's why it is sp3 hybridation. Diamond is carbon atoms are arranged in the tetrahedral shape and very hot, non-metal, cannot be synthesized in ordinary conditions. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. We have sp3 hybridation, used as diamond cutter, etc. These are so many properties of the diamond. Another one is graphite. Here graphite means hexagonal. Hexo means 6. Mono 1, dia 2, tri 3, tetra 4, penta 5, hexa means 6. Hexagonal arrangement, that means 6 carbon atoms are bound together like a ring structure. So this is graphite. And sp2 hybridation. 1s orbital, 2 p orbitals are participating in the hybridation. That's why sp2 hybridation. Smooth and soapy to touch. Smooth and soapy to touch. This is very smooth and soapy to touch. Slipping property. Good conductor of heat and electricity. good conductor of heat and energy. Used as lubricant. Gap between the layers, distance between layers is 3.35 angstrom units. Here graphite is, there is a hexagonal arrangement of atoms, sp2 hybridization, very smooth and soapy to touch, easy to break, soapy to touch, and this is a good conductor of heat and electricity. That means graphite can allow the heat and electricity very easily because some gaps are there between the layers. There is a possibility of electrons movement, possibility is more, and it is used as lubricant. And distance between layers, that means this hexagonal arrangement forms like a one layer, another layer, and another layer. The gap between the two layers is 3.35 angstrom units. So these are the main differences between diamond and graphite. The third one is C60. What is C60? C60, another name is Buckminster Fullerens. Who discovered this Buckminster Fullerens or C60 means H.W. Proto, R.E. Smalley, Curl. Three scientists are combined and discovered this C60. They got Nobel Prize also. H.W. Proto, R.E. Smalley, R.F. Curl. This 12 pentagonal rings. Pentagonal rings. Pentagonal rings means like this. This is the 5-side structure. 5 carbon atoms forms like a rings, that is pentagonal rings. 20 hexagonal rings. Hexagonal rings means already you know that is hexagonal rings. This is the hexagonal ring. Total 32 rings. Forms like a football structure. These balls are gathered like a football. That means this is the C60. C60 means 60 carbon atoms are present between the 32 rings. And nanotubes. Nanotubes. What are nanotubes? Nanotubes means these rings layers are rolled together like a cylindrical structure, like a tubes. That is nanotubes. Here these nanotubes who discovered means Sumio Lee-Jima, 1991. In 1991, the scientist Sumio Lee-Jima discovered these nanotubes. What are the uses of these nanotubes? Used in the IC, integrated circuits, IC circuits, integrated circuits. In Integrated circuit means very small nano circuits are there. In the nano circuits, instead of copper wires, we use these nanotubes to joining the different electronic components. And these nanotubes are also used in the medicinal purpose also. In the cancer cells experiments, nanotubes are also used. So many uses are there in this nanotubes and further discoveries. See this chemistry of carbon compounds. What are the main important points of yesterday and today? Here, carbon can form lakhs of compounds compared to the remaining elements. Only carbon can form more than 50 million compounds. Why this carbon only can form lakhs of compounds compared to the other elements means main properties are four. That is tetravalency and allotropic formation, catenation, and another one is isomerism, multiple bond. These are the 5 points and form the lakhs of compounds. Yesterday I explained the important formulas of this alkane, alkene, alkynes. Alkane means CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula, and they have single bonds only in between the carbon atoms. Only single bonds are present. These are the saturated hydrocarbons. If one hydrogen is removed from the alkane, then it is called alkyl group. Alkyl group means CnH2n plus 1, methane CH4, methyl CH3, ethane C2H6, ethyl C2H5, like this. One hydrogen is removed, then it is the alkyl group. Okay, next one is catenation. Catenation means atoms of same element joined together to form long chain is called catenation. And today explain the allotropic forms. Allotropic forms of carbon. What is allotropy? Allotropy means occurrence of same element in 2 or more forms. It's already the formation of sulfur. Sulfur allotropic forms. Rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, plastic sulfur. That is in the previous classes, in the lower classes. Here carbon. Carbon allotropic forms are 2. That is amorphous. Second one is crystalline. What are amorphous forms means? Coal, coke. Coke means that is not drinking coke. Coke is prepared from coal only. Lamp black, animal black, wood charcoal, etc. So many are there. These are the important forms of amorphous. Here crystalline formation means, crystal formation means that is diamond, graphite, and third one recently discovered, that one is Buckminster Fullerene RC60. Who discovered this Buckminster Fullerene means 3 scientists, that is H.W. Kroto, Alice Murray, R.F. Kerr. These 3 scientists are discovered and they got the Nobel Prize. Here diamond. Diamond means that is a very hot non-crystal, that is a very hard substance, non-metal, very hard non-metal. Diamond cannot be synthesized at ordinary conditions by using very high pressure and temperature only, and this is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, sp3 hybridization. Whereas graphite, this is smooth and soapy to touch. They have some layers between the structures. The gap between the structure is one layer and another layer is 3.35 angstrom units. This graphite is sp2 hybridization. It is used as a lubricant, and in graphite this is act as a good conductor of heat and electricity. They allow the heat and electricity, that means electrons can move freely in this graphite. Whereas this Buckminster Fullerene, we have 32 rings, total 32 rings, 12 pentagonal rings. 12 pentagonal rings means 5-sided rings, that means 5 carbon atoms are arranged like a ring, that is called pentagonal. How many rings are there? 12. And 20 hexagonal, 6 carbon atoms forms like a ring, that is called hexagonal ring. Total 32 rings are present. In these 32 rings, 60 carbon atoms are there. C60 means 60 carbon atoms are arranged like a structure like football structure. These balls are gathering like a football game. That is the C60. And nanotubes. Here nanotubes means these are all prepared from C60 only. These layers are rolled together like a cylindrical form. That is two form. That is called nanotubes. These nanotubes were discovered by scientist Sunio Lijima in 1991. What is the use or importance of this nanotubes means? Used in the IC. IC means electronic circuits. Nano circuits. Integrated circuit chip. In this integrated circuits, these components are joined together by using this nanotubes instead of copper wires. And is also used in the medicine also.